All right, let's talk about the Google March 2026 core update. It rolled out on March 27th, and within 72 hours, it had already reshuffled rankings across millions of pages. This one hit differently. The SEMrush volatility sensor hit 9.4 out of 10. 55% of tracked domains moved 5 or more positions in the first 3 days. This was not a minor tweak. It was a broad reassessment of what Google considers genuinely useful content. The pattern behind every site that dropped is the same. AI-heavy publishers pushing 100 or more articles a month with no editorial review lost 60 to 90% of their visibility. Affiliate roundup sites averaged a 54% decline. Programmatic pages dropped 28 to 35%. Template-driven content got wiped. Google got better at one specific thing: separating pages that look polished from pages that are actually useful. If your content restates what the top 10 results already say, you are now competing at a serious disadvantage. That is what information gain scoring is measuring. Sites that gained were doing something the losers were not. Pages with original research and proprietary data averaged 22% visibility growth. Expert authored content with proper author schema outperformed anonymous content by a factor of 2.4. One personal finance site using first-party survey data gained 224%. The first step is deciding which pages deserve to exist. Pull your Search Console data sorted by traffic decline since March 27th. For each page, ask one question. Does this add anything a buyer cannot get from the top 3 results? If the answer is no, consolidate it, rewrite it, or remove it. Over 50% of mid-market e-commerce review content has no named author. That needs to change. Every buying guide, roundup, and review needs a real name, a real bio, relevant credentials, and person schema markup with links to LinkedIn or published work. Anonymous content is now a liability. Pages without verifiable original data are the most at risk going forward. Run your own product tests. Survey your customers. Document real findings that do not exist anywhere else. You do not need 50 pages of this. Start with your top 20 by traffic and build from there. Finance, health, and safety pages that have not been updated since late 2024 are now vulnerable. And changing the publish date without changing the content does not help. Google detects when the actual text stays the same. Add new data, update your statistics, and show that the page is actively maintained. Recovery from this update takes 2 to 6 months if you do the right things. Optimum 7 has been through every major core update since 2012, and we know exactly which fixes move rankings and which ones waste time. If your traffic dropped in March, let's figure out why and fix it.